Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy. Dear student, today in this video we are going to solve one of the most important questions from trigonometry, which is from the chapter of multiple angles of trigonometric ratios. Here we go. Dear students, the question is prove that sin²α minus sin²β divided by sin alpha into cos alpha minus sin beta into cos beta, which is equal to tan alpha plus beta. So dear students, at first let us recall the formula which are used in solving this problem. Dear students, in this question at first we have to recall the formula of multiple angles of trigonometric ratios. So let us recall some of the formula which we are going to use to solve this question. So dear students, at first we have to recall the formula of sin²a. Dear students, we know that the formula of the trigonometric ratios sin²a, which is also called the formula of multiple angles of trigonometric ratios. The formula of sin²a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. So dear students, we have to use the formula of sin²a to prove this question. Next we have to recall the formula of cos²a. The formula of cos²a in terms of sine is 1 minus 2 sin²a, and the formula of cos²a in terms of cos is equal to 2 cos²a minus 1. So dear students, from this formula we can derive the formula of 2 sin² and 2 cos². See, if we derive the formula of 2 sin² and 2 cos² from the formula of cos²a, then 2 sin², then the value of 2 sin² will be equal to 1 minus cos²a. And again, if we derive the formula of cos²a in terms of cos²a, then the formula of 2 cos², the formula of 2 cos² will be equal to 1 plus cos²a. So dear students, now next formula which we have to use to prove this problem, we have to know the formula of sin c minus sin d, which is also known as the formula of the transformation of trigonometric formula. We know that the formula of sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 times sin c minus d by 2, and the last formula which we have to use is the formula of cos c minus cos d. Dear students, the formula of cos c minus cos d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 times sin d minus d by 2, or we can write minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So dear students, altogether 1, 2, 3 formula. So we are going to use 4 formula including the formula of sin²a. That means altogether we'll use 5 formula to get the proof of this trigonometric expression. So let's take LHS now. Let us take LHS. So dear students, we are going to use the 5 formula in order to get the proof of this problem. So let's take LHS at first. In LHS we have got sin square alpha minus sin square beta divided by sin alpha into cos alpha minus sin beta into cos beta. So dear students, by solving this we need tan alpha plus beta. So we have taken LHS, and in the RHS we need tan alpha plus beta. So this would be equal to, the value of this would be equal to the value of tan alpha plus beta. So dear students, in this problem we need a very simple manipulation. That means we have to multiply the expression of the numerator and the denominator. That means we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So let's multiply by 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator also let's multiply by 2. So if we multiply by 2 both in the numerator and denominator, then we'll get 2 sin square alpha minus 2 sin square beta divided by 2 sin alpha cos alpha minus 2 sin beta into cos beta. Dear students, so in the first step we have multiplied each term of numerator by 2 and again each term of denominator by 2, so that we can use the formula of the multiple angles of trigonometric ratios. So dear students, 2 sin square alpha, already we have discussed that we can derive the formula of 2 sin square a and the formula of 2 cos square a from the formula of cos 2a. So dear students, the formula of 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. So 2 sin square alpha we can write as 1 minus cos 2 alpha. The formula of 2 sin square is 1 minus cos 2a. So we have to memorize it, we have to keep in the mind. So applying the formula of 2 sin square a, 2 sin square means 1 minus cos 2a. Again, keeping minus sign as it is, 2 sin square b. Just like 2 sin square a, we can use the formula of 2 sin square b, simply replacing a by b. So dear students, the formula of 2 sin square b will be equal to 1 minus cos 2b. Divided by, now 2 sin alpha into cos alpha. So we know that the formula of sin 2a is 2 sin a times cos a. So dear students, the formula of 2 sin alpha cos alpha we can write as sin 2 alpha. So let's write it down. 2 sin alpha into cos alpha is equal to sin 2 alpha minus 2 sin beta into cos beta. So just replacing angle alpha by beta, the formula of 2 sin beta cos beta. The formula of 2 sin beta cos beta we can write sin 2 beta. So dear students, simply we have used the formula of the multiple angles of trigonometric ratios in the third step. So dear students, now let's do some simplification. 1 minus cos 2 alpha, keeping as it is, minus 1. So let's multiply the terms inside the bracket with minus sign, then minus plus minus, and minus minus we get plus cos 2 beta divided by, now let's skip one step, sin 2 alpha minus sin 2 beta as it is. So dear students, now plus 1 and minus 1 we can cancel with each other because they are equal and opposite in sign. So plus 1 and minus 1 will be equal to 0. Now let's arrange the term. So dear students, so the remaining terms are minus cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta. So whenever there is minus sign in front of the first term, then we should take minus sign common. So let's take minus sign common at first. So if we take minus sign common from cos 2 alpha and from plus cos 2 beta, then the sign of the terms will change. So after taking minus sign common, minus will change into plus and plus will change into minus. So let's take minus common, then we'll get minus minus plus cos 2 alpha and minus plus minus. So dear students, always keep in the mind, whenever we take minus sign common, then the sign of each term will change, minus into plus and plus will change into minus. Let's keep the denominator, the terms of the denominator again as it is. Let's copy the same. So dear students, now let's apply the formula of cos C minus cos D. So after taking minus sign common, we have got cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 beta in the denominator, and in the numerator, and in the denominator we have got sin 2 alpha minus sin 2 beta. So dear students, so now in the next step we are going to use the formula of the transformation of trigonometric formula. So sin cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 beta. So we know that cos C minus cos D. So cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 beta is in the form of cos C minus cos D. And we know that the formula of cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 times sin C minus D by 2. So let's use the formula of the transformation of trigonometric formula. Dear students, let's keep minus sign as it is and let's apply the formula of cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D means minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. That means 2 alpha plus 2 beta by 2, 2 sin C plus D by 2 times sin C minus D by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. So dear students, the formula of cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, and there is minus sign in the front. Now let's use the formula of sin C minus sin D. Dear students, already we have discussed that we need altogether 5 formula, and here we need the formula of sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D means 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 times sin C minus D by 2. So dear students, in this step we have used the formula of cos C minus cos D and sin C minus sin D. Now let's cancel the equal terms. So dear students, sin 2 alpha minus 2 beta divided by 2 and sin 2 alpha minus 2 beta by 2, both are the same, so we can cancel, and minus minus will become plus. So now this is the last step. Minus minus will become plus, and 2 they are same, so we can cancel. 2 divided by 2 we get 1, that means they will cancel each other. Now the remaining terms are sin 2 alpha plus 2 beta divided by 2, and in the denominator we have cos 2 alpha plus 2 beta divided by 2. So dear students, we know that sin divided by cos is equal to tan because angles are the same. So sin by cos means we can write tan 2 alpha plus 2 beta by 2. The angle is 2 alpha plus 2 beta divided by 2. So dear students, We know that sine divided by cos is equal to tan. So sine by cos means we get tan, and the angle is 2 alpha plus 2 beta divided by 2. Dear students, in RHS we need tan alpha plus beta. That means we must cancel 2 from the angle. So let's take 2 common from both the angles. So we have got, after taking common 2, we have got tan 2 times of alpha plus beta divided by 2. So 2 cancel, then we get tan alpha plus beta. So we have got tan alpha plus beta, which is the RHS, the expression of the right hand side. Hence proved. Or we can write quaid. The meaning of quaid is hence it is proved. So dear students, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take the screenshot of the solution of this question. Dear students, we have solved one problem from the chapter of the multiple of trigonometric ratios, multiple angles of trigonometric ratios. The question is, prove that sin² alpha minus sin² beta divided by sin alpha into cos alpha minus sin beta into cos beta, which is equal to tan alpha plus beta. So dear students, at first we have taken LHS and we have multiplied the term of numerator and denominator by 2. So this type of step is called manipulation. That means we have to apply a certain trick in order to get the solution, in order to solve the question. So dear students, after multiplying each term of numerator and each term of denominator by 2, we have got 2 sin² alpha minus 2 sin² beta divided by 2 sin alpha cos alpha minus 2 sin beta into cos beta. So dear students, we know that the formula of 2 sin² is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. So this formula we have derived from the formula of cos 2a. So 2 sin² means 1 minus cos 2a, and keeping minus sin as it is. And 2 sin² beta means 1 minus cos 2 beta. So dear students, now 2 sin alpha into cos alpha, we know sin 2 alpha, and 2 sin beta into cos beta, we know sin 2 beta. In the next step, simply we have opened the bracket with minus sign, minus 1, minus plus cos 2 beta, and plus 1 and minus 1 we have cancelled. Then we have taken minus sign common, then we have got cos 2 alpha, plus will change into minus after taking minus sign common, then we have got cos 2 beta, and cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 beta, it is in the form of cos c minus cos d, and we know that the formula of cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So using the formula of cos c minus cos d, minus 2 sin c plus d divided by 2 into sin c minus d divided by 2, and again using the formula of sin c minus sin d, because sin 2 alpha minus sin 2 beta, they are in the form of sin c minus sin d, and we know that the formula of sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So dear students, the last two terms in the numerator and denominator both are same. We have cancelled. Then minus plus 2 also we have cancelled, and we know that sin divided by cos is tan, and the angle is 2 alpha plus 2 beta divided by 2. We need tan alpha plus beta in RHS. So by taking 2 common, we have cancelled 2 from the angle. Then we have got tan alpha plus beta, which is RHS. Hence it is proved. So dear students, I hope that you have understood the solution of this problem, which is frequently asked in the examinations. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with the new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.